And you, my good friend, my good old friend, we're gonna put you back where you belong, which is right there. So, and we're gonna bring in a little bit of a special surprise. I got another one. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the old other hard drive, right? Because this one is my hard drive. And my hard drive, which should work, just put it in there. My hard drive has probably $500 worth of games on it and a load of other shit. But yeah, now to fix that, get hyped for the new video that will be coming soon on this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, all that fun stuff. Bye-bye.